If you want freelancing income using AI without waiting months, this video is going to help you. Watch this to learn some of the steps that beginners are using right now to actually get paid for their skills, even with zero experience. So before we get started, can I ask one small favor? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energized to bring you more content. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's begin with number one, which is to offer AI-powered content creation services. If you want to start earning some money as a freelancer using AI fairly quickly, one of the easiest ways for you to do this is to actually leverage AI to create content for different clients. Now, many businesses, bloggers, and even social media managers are actually struggling to consistently produce high-quality content for their businesses, which actually creates a big opportunity for you. Now, platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Jasper AI, WriteSonic, and even Copy AI can actually generate blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, and even social media captions and ad copy in just a few minutes. So let me walk you through the process. The first thing you want to be doing is to choose one AI tool that actually suits your style and that you can work with. Then just experiment by creating drafts on topics which are relevant to potential clients that you are going to work with. Now you can just edit the outputs to add some creativity, correct the grammar, and even ensure accuracy as well, so that you actually deliver professional results while saving hours compared to manual writing. So if you have trouble figuring out what kind of content to create, I recommend identifying a niche where content is in high demand. So you want to do this first. You want to find a high demand niche. So for example, an e-commerce business usually always needs product descriptions. A health and wellness blog needs good SEO optimized articles. And local businesses need social media updates all the time. Now you can use Answer the Public, which is a really good tool to find out what people are actually asking for and searching for on Google. You can also use Ubersuggest as well. This is a really good keyword research tool. Or you can even use BuzzSumo to research trending topics or popular questions in that niche. So you need to find out what people are searching for and asking for on Google. So you need to do some keyword research here. So next thing you want to be doing is using AI to generate content drafts just based on those topics that you find. Then you just need to make sure that you actually refine the drafts to sound more natural and human. So you want to be adding your own human elements and your own human insights here into the AI content. You see, clients will actually pay for quality, not just raw AI output. So if you find that you struggle with finding some clients, just start with some freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork.com and Freelancer.com. You can sign up there for a free profile and it only takes a few minutes. This is where businesses are actively searching for content creators. So let me give you a quick tip. You can create multiple gigs for service listings that specify AI assisted content creation. So for example, you could do one for 10 social media posts generated and edited with AI. So that's an example that you could model and just refine for your own doing. Now you can also pitch directly to small businesses as well via email or even on LinkedIn, just offering some free samples or some discounted first projects to help you build some credibility. Now you want to highlight that you can actually save clients a lot of time while delivering high quality personalized content to help them grow their business. So if you want to maximize your income, you want to create tiered packages for clients. So for example, you could offer a basic package with say 5 to 6 AI generated posts per week, or even a mid-tier package with say 10 posts plus editing, and a premium package that could be 20 posts or more, plus some SEO optimization in there as well. So let me break it down for you. For SEO optimized blog posts, you can actually use Surfer SEO, or you can even use Phrase.io alongside these AI tools to make sure that you actually create content that is going to rank in Google for different search terms and search results. So this is going to help clients get some organic traffic from Google. Now, offering clear packages gives clients the flexibility and predictable pricing, which actually increases the likelihood that they will actually purchase ongoing services rather than just one-off projects. So another step that you can take is to automate parts of the workflow to handle multiple clients more efficiently. There are tools like Zapier, Make, which is formerly Integromat, and Sheet AI, which allow you to actually automate content requests, AI drafting, and even file organization. And they can actually help you connect different apps together as well to create simple workflows. So for example, you could set up a system where client requests submitted through a Google form automatically generate drafts in Google Documents via AI. Now this reduces the manual steps, it minimizes the errors, and it also allows you to take on more clients without actually increasing your workload. So if you are a bit worried about the quality, here's a common mistake to actually avoid. Some freelancers just deliver AI content without any editing. And this just leads generally to generic writing, repeated phrases, or just factual errors. So I recommend that you actually use tools like Grammarly, Hemingway Editor, and fast checking tools to polish up your drafts, and just make sure that you actually add some human insights in there as well. So you want to add some human elements, your own insights into the AI content as well. So it's AI and human content. So let me give you an example. If an AI writes a product description, you want to check that the product details are accurate, the tone matches the brand that you're working with, and the language flows naturally as well. Now, high quality AI assisted work allows you to charge a bit more and actually secure repeat clients. So if you are ready to start making an income pretty quickly, just follow this step-by-step method. Step number 1 is to choose one AI tool like ChatGPT or Jasper. Step number 2 is to just select a profitable niche. So this is really important. You need to find a niche where you can actually make a good profit. Step number 3 is to create some sample content to actually show clients what you can actually do so you can showcase your skills. Step number 4 is to just list your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork.com, or just pitch directly to businesses using social media like LinkedIn. Step number 5 is to set some clear and tiered pricing packages. Step number 6 is to use AI to generate the drafts very quickly and then edit carefully. So you want to edit the content, add your own human insights, and make sure all the reading is good with no errors in it at all. So you need to make sure that you edit the content very carefully to make sure it is good quality. And number 7 is to automate the repetitive tasks with tools like Zapier, which can help you connect different apps together to create simple workflows to help you to scale more efficiently. So by following this type of process, you can actually start earning with AI as a freelancer within just a few days. You can deliver high quality results to different clients and just gradually grow your income while taking on more projects without actually burning out. Let's now move on to number 2, which is to offer AI powered graphic design and visual content services. If you want to make some money as a freelancer without being a professional designer, AI can actually handle the heavy lifting for you. Now, many small businesses, content creators, and even startups are actually struggling to create visuals for their business like logos, social media graphics and visuals, banners, or even just marketing visuals on a consistent basis. So tools like Canva AI, Looker, Designify, and Adobe Firefly, these kind of apps and tools allow you to generate high quality designs in just a few minutes. So let me walk you through it. The first thing you need to do is to choose a template, and there are lots of them on these apps like Canva. Then you just need to input some branding colors, some styles, and some text, and just let the AI actually create multiple variations for you. Then you just need to customize to match your client's unique needs and just deliver polished visuals that save them some time. So if you have trouble understanding what types of designs actually sell, you want to just research your target audience using things like Pinterest, Behance, and Dribbble. You can analyze the trending designs, popular color palettes, and styles that actually resonate in a specific niche. So let me tell you a practical step. You want to save examples of some top performing graphics and visuals that you find and actually use them as inspiration when prompting different AI tools that you work with. This is going to save you some time and give you some good ideas. Now you want to avoid just copying directly. You want to use AI to actually generate something very unique that aligns really well with your client preferences. So if you struggle with creating complex visual assets like banners or infographics or even presentations, AI design platforms can simplify the process. For example, in Canva AI, you can actually generate an infographic by entering your topic and a few key points, and then just select a layout suggested by the AI. So another step that you can actually take is to fine tune the colors, the fonts, and the icons to match your client's branding that you are working with. This actually reduces hours of design work to just a few minutes, making it very possible for you to handle multiple projects more efficiently. So if you want to expand your service offerings, you can combine AI generated visuals with marketing strategy. For example, you can use Crello, Visme, or even Figma AI plugins to actually create social media graphics. Then you could just schedule these content posts using tools like Buffer or later.com for your clients. So let me walk you through it. You can start by creating say 10 graphics per week, set some captions and some hashtags and schedule the posts using later.com or another tool. Now many freelancers actually miss the opportunity to offer end-to-end solutions. But by combining AI design with some posting services, this actually increases client value and revenue. Now, if you have some difficulty pricing your design services, I recommend a step-by-step approach. Calculate the time that AI saves you compared to traditional designing methods. Then just factor in your hourly rate and any additional editing work that you do. So let me tell you an example. If creating a social media banner normally takes around 2 hours, but AI can produce it or reduce it to just 30 minutes, you can charge for just 1.5 hours plus saved plus the editing time. Now, transparent pricing really helps clients understand the value while allowing you to scale more efficiently in this business. So if you struggle with client revisions, AI can actually help you quickly generate good alternatives and variations. So for example, in Looker, you can actually generate multiple logo versions in just minutes. Then just let the client pick the best one that they like. So another thing that you can do is save each version as a draft. Make minor edits based on client feedback that you get, and then you can just finalize without starting from scratch every time. Now this kind of approach prevents the burnout, it allows faster delivery, and it improves the client satisfaction as well. So if you are ready to start making an income very soon, you want to follow this practical workflow. Number 1 is to choose an AI design tool like Canva AI or Adobe Firefly. Number 2 is to identify a profitable niche such as social media graphics, logos, or even infographics. Step number 3 is to create a portfolio with some sample AI generated designs. Step number 4 is to list your services on websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com or Freelancer.com. Or you can just pitch directly to businesses that you find on social media using LinkedIn or even Facebook groups. Step number 5 is to use AI to draft the visuals and then refine them for the quality. Step number 6 is to offer packages with multiple graphics per week or even per month. Step number 7 is to automate the posting or the revisions where possible using tools like Buffer, Zapier or Sheet AI. So by just following these steps, you can start earning an income from AI assisted design while delivering very high quality scalable results to your clients. Let's now move on to number 3, which is to offer AI powered video creation and editing services. If you want to make money as a freelancer without spending hours editing videos manually, AI tools can completely transform your workflow. Platforms like Pictory, Runway, Descript and InVideo allow you to turn scripts, blog posts or even audio recordings into professional videos in just minutes. So let me walk you through it. You want to start by just importing a script or a text into the AI. Then just choose a video template or a style that you like and let the AI generate the visuals, the transitions and even the voiceovers for you. You can then refine the scenes, add your own branding and export the final video ready to deliver to any clients. Now many freelancers actually fail by trying to do everything themselves manually, but AI actually lets you scale production while keeping quality very high. So if you struggle with creating engaging video content for social media, AI tools can actually help you repurpose existing material out there. For example, Descript actually allows you to edit long form content and automatically create short clips which are optimized for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. So another step that you can take is to use AI to actually add captions, subtitles and effects automatically. So let me tell you a common mistake. Skipping captions or resizing for each platform actually reduces engagement. AI handles this very efficiently, letting you produce platform-specific videos very quickly. Now, if you are unsure how to pitch video services to clients, you want to focus on the value that AI actually provides, which is speed, cost efficiency, and high quality output. Now, you can offer packages such as 10 social media videos per week, or YouTube video editing with AI enhancements, or something like AI generated marketing videos. So there's just some examples that you can model. So let me walk you through it. You want to research client needs on websites like Fiverr, Upwork.com, or even on LinkedIn, and just create some sample videos using AI tools and include some before and after examples to demonstrate the transformation that the AI can provide. You want to highlight that you can produce professional looking videos much faster than those traditional methods, which many businesses are willing to pay for. So if you want to maximize your workflow and actually avoid the bottlenecks, combine AI video tools with automation and organization platforms. For example, you can use Trello or even Notion to actually manage client projects. You can use Zapier to trigger AI video generation from scripts or even content submissions, and you can use Veed.io to batch process subtitles or enhancements. So another thing that you can do is to set up a step-by-step pipeline. So you receive the content, you then input into an AI tool, you then review and edit the content, you then export and deliver. This kind of process ensures that you can handle multiple clients very efficiently, maintain consistent quality, and actually steadily grow your freelancing income using AI-powered video services. Wow, that's it for this one. Now, if you're serious about building your online business and creating new online income streams, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the top pinned comment, where you can find some free guides and free resources to help you get started right away with starting an online business and creating new income streams. These free resources will teach you step by step how to create a successful online business and help you to create new online income streams. So I know these will be very helpful for you as well. So don't wait, take action today. You can go and click the link below in the description and start your journey right now. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for new videos. It really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.